Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noura, and in this channel we discuss fashion, makeup, skincare, hair care, all of that. Today I'm really excited because I just received some packages from Charles & Keith shoes and a handbag, and I was like, I want to try them. I want to go on a date and actually just enjoy. So yeah, join me. I am also excited because I can finally fit in these jeans. I actually bought them last year from soeur. I cannot really pronounce the brand, in Paris when we were there in May. And after Paris, I couldn't fit in anything of my clothes. All the dresses and the jeans and all of the cutest stuff that I got with me are not my size anymore. I actually donated 1/3 of my closet back in December because I was like, this is my new normal. I cannot really lose weight. It's not about food or exercise, just hormonal changes. But now finally I'm so excited, and today I will try this dress again from maje. I think maje, not maje. Let's get into that. I'll do my skincare, makeup with you, and it's gonna be relaxed. I have my coffee with me. You see a theme here with green and green. It's my favorite color, green and yellow. So let's get started. Start with a good fresh scent from Teolang, from Giorgioarmani. I just got it, and I love this scent so much. So yeah. For skincare, I didn't really change much. I'm still in my face with Cicaplast Bomb B5 for my forehead. I just applied that right now. And then I'm on my glow recipe kind of phase. I just started using them in December, and so far I'm so impressed. And for the skincare, I changed my Shiseido sunblock to Goop. I prefer Shiseido, but I ran out of the product and I have this on hand, so I'm gonna use it. For the makeup part, I'll review some of the products that I got for Valentine from Giorgioarmani. I got new pieces and bits from Sephora last time I was there, and I'll tell you about them. Most of the stuff that I got are perfect. I loved Giorgioarmani primer. I loved the foundation. I'm a true loyal Giorgioarmani concealer kind of girl, but the powder unfortunately is not appropriate for my skin type. It's too luminous for oily skin. Even during winter, it is too much for me. So it's not because of the powder itself, but because of how luminous it is on my combination, mostly oily skin in the center. I wrote short reviews on my Instagram, and you can check them there. I got an OG from MAC, this MAC luminizer. I didn't even open it. I was like, let me save it for my next video. And I was like, this is one of the best highlighters out there. I was in between getting what is it? A Rare Beauty new highlighter, the powder highlighter, or this one. And I found this one to be more soft and less pearly, if that makes sense. But I still haven't used it on my skin, so we'll see how that goes. And then I got my new HD Skin Matte Velvet from Makeup Forever. And it was everywhere. I tried it in the store to find the shade, and it felt very good because their previous one was too heavy. Like, I tried it, I never liked it, and ended up just leaving it to the side. it's not with me anymore. But this looked so cool, honestly. It looked so velvety. I will see on my skin, because sometimes when you try it only on a patch of your skin or on your hand, it doesn't give you the true test. So probably you'll see my review on Instagram. As I said, the link will be down below. Okay, so I will fast forward through this bit. Enjoy, hang on, and have your coffee with you. Hello again. I'm still in my pants because I wanted to show you the shoes first and then I'll change into the dress. So let's see together. I opened them. If I'm honest with you, I couldn't resist not opening them, but I've never worn them. So here's the shoe. And this is a beautiful color. I'm size 36 in these, and if you see here, there is that heel with metallic. It's a brass, like it's a polished brass. So it's very, very. Their shoes are very comfortable. They're excellent to go to work in. You can style a suit, dress, and just to elevate a casual look. I am always pleased with their quality of shoes. I'm always pleased with their quality of stuff. I've never had problems with them before in terms of breaking the heel or anything. Like, what I experience is that they last me very long, considering how extensively I use them. So I am very happy with these, and I like the fact that they have, I don't know if you can see, so there is some marks on the sole of the foot so you don't slip, and then the shoe itself is very comfortable. There is some padding, and then there is extra support here. As I said, I'm very, very pleased, and I was saving them and I didn't wear them, so I can show you guys. I'm not sure about the distance here. I usually like it more open, but I'll see how that looks. We'll see together. As you can see here, they're not bad. I wouldn't say that I like, as I said, I don't like it to go deep, but that means it's very, very secure. You can wear it for long hours without feeling that you're wearing a heel. I work in a hospital. I have to go up and down and see patients and all of that, and I never had any problems with these shoes before. So I'm happy, and actually it works well with this outfit. That's why I was like, let's see it. Like, I wouldn't go in the snow outside like this, but yeah. I would put on boots, and once I arrive to my destination, I'll change in these. Happy! I'm really, really happy, honestly. This is how it looks. It's in style now. This shoulder kind of almost rectangular with a curvy kind of feel to it, and this polished nickel buckle as well. It's gorgeous. And on the back, very, very minimal branding. And it's just, you open it, it's magnetic, so you just pull. And then inside, you get, the tag. I didn't open it so far, so let's see. Just padding, dust bag. As I said, the quality for the price, like the prices are Aldo kind of prices, but the quality is amazing. It's faux leather inside. There is their card of how to take care. It's faux leather. That means that it's easy to actually clean even inside. And then there is a pocket that you can insert your cards or whatever. It holds a lot. Like it's one of those bags that you can actually take with you on everyday basis. And I love that about their bags. The leather is soft. It's not like it holds a structure, but it's not very stiff. Sometimes some of the brands make their leather so stiff that you cannot fit a lot of stuff in it. It's good that the bag will hold its shape for longer, but it's rarely to see a leather bag, what kind of leather, faux leather, good quality or not, to hold their shape, to actually lose their shapes. That's my experience, or if I did, that's my experience, because most of the bags that I get are classic, tends to be more structured. So I didn't have a problem with any of the bags, high end or high street, to lose their shapes. I am in love with this bag, and actually it's not very similar, but it gives me some vibe of Gucci Jackie bag. Let me show you the dress and see if the bag and the shoes that I just bought would go well, or I need to change into something else. So I would pair this dress, those heels, with this jacket from Zara, and they have this beautiful shawl, scarf from a friend. I don't know where is it from. Coach, maybe? I don't remember. It's cashmere and silk. I don't remember from where. It's just beautiful scarf, and they got it as a gift. I don't remember buying myself this one. This is old Zara coat, but I think they bring the same kind of style every year. So this is how I would look. And this is what I'm saying, that you always have pockets. You don't need a bag, but nevertheless, I would always love to have a bag on me. And I think this is a cohesive look. Well, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Let me know in the comments below, have you ever heard of Charles & Keith, and have you ever tried one of their products? Let me know if you would like, if you are someone who actually uses high street only, uses luxury only, or tries to mix it up. I'm curious to know. Please share, subscribe, like, and all of that. Until next week.